Good morning, it is Sunday 5:30 a.m. and we are walking to the gym to get a session in before heading to Peppa Pig World.
I am absolutely ruined. I don't know what is the matter with me. I'm usually up this time all the time, but like my alarm went off this morning and I feel like I'm still in bed. But
this is going to set us up for the day. Obviously, we don't miss training sessions. So
watering on the way over.
Got to do my check-in as well before we go.
Hydrated.
That's my alarm to go off to wake us up. Picked up our baby girl who stayed in my mum's house last night so we could train early, fasted, so she had a good sleep. And are you excited, Ola? Ola, we've told her she's got to have a little sleep because it's a long way. It's a 2.5 hour drive. We have got our prep meals with us. Richie's got 2 of these breakfast wraps. I've got
the
one.
Best. Anyone moans about dieting, like you're not dieting right, like, or food, you know. These breakfast wraps, they just taste unreal. I will open mine up now and show you guys. I have 2 eggs and 2 bacon medallions in a wrap. Bang it.
We got my suitcase.
Yeah, we got your suitcase, Ola. Let's have a look inside that wrap.
We are 20 minutes away from the park. Lucy is on meal 2. I had a little nap, finished off my check-ins.
A long nap.
Yeah, so long that she stopped off, got another coffee, and then finished my half coffee as well.
Yep.
But we are just stuck in traffic now.
What was that, a little nap?
Peppa Pig World. Woo! You said you were going to sit next to me.
Hello to you all. Hello, Mrs. Brown.
They look good. That's the hot air balloon. Yeah. Who's that? Just spin around. See the spins. You are.
Oh, Daddy. Is Daddy being naughty?
Should we wobble there?
Oh, wobble, wobble. Hey!
If the boat's rocking.
Mommy's having this and a coffee.
Mine.
It's mine.
No, mine.
It's mine. You got the pizza. Mommy's got the protein bars.
This is mine.
What are you eating, Ola? What is that? A protein bar? Is he your favourite? Waiting to go on the rides.
Yeah, we're going now. Yeah, but what are we doing first?
Get the toy.
For me?
No, for me.
For me?
No, for me.
Oh.
Oh wow, what have you got, Ola?
Aeroplane.
That's a good one. You were allowed 1 toy, wasn't you? You've waited all day for that.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Have you had a good day?
Yeah.
What's been your favourite thing?
Having a something with Peppa.
Oh, that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. What else?
And the dinosaur.
The dinosaur ride with me. Yeah.
We have literally just got back to the hotel. I am having meal 3. Meal 3 is the same as meal 2, which is pasta and minced balls with veg, a little bit of tomato sauce. The reason I'm having this, my next meal was supposed to be rice and chicken, but we have forgot our food scales. So, not much of an issue because obviously I made 6 meals of rice, so as long as I divide that by 6 evenly over the next 3 days, it's going to work out around about the same. Obviously meal by meal, maybe a little bit of differences, but over the 3 days, it'll balance out and be fine. Ola is playing with a little aeroplane, and Lucy's in the shower. 6 PM. We're going to go downstairs now to look what's about. Are we all there? Yeah.
Can I have my aeroplane?
Just come to the restaurant in the hotel. We've got our prep meals, chicken and rice.
I don't want.
Richie's got his pasta that he's still finishing.
Mommy.
So, I have had breakfast. I've had 2 meals so far of chicken, rice and peanut butter. This is my 3rd meal. I've also got another meal of exactly the same because I've got 4 of these meals, and then I've got overnight oats and also a protein bar every day as well. So this is what I'll be eating for the next 3 days. So my last meal is chicken and rice, and then oats is actually my last meal. And Richie has just got, looks like chicken and rice, the same as me. Lovely stuff. We're just watching our series. Ola is just doing a bit of colouring, and then she'll be hopefully going to sleep. Good morning, it is Monday, so we have just woke up. Well, I've been up quite a while actually, so I've got myself ready, and Richie's just getting ready now. Ola's having a little play. Say good morning, Ola. Oh, you got monkey and dummy.
Yeah.
Say good morning. Hi. Are we gonna have fun today?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
See.
Oh, in the sea. We're not going in the sea. Where else are we going?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. We're not in America. Where else?
Peppa Pig.
Yeah, yay, you got it right. Excited? Yeah. So this is the big fridge that we bought to take away with us, which is really cool. You just plug it in into the hotel room and put all of your meals in there. So I'm using my 4 tubs of my 4 meals that I had yesterday. I've got a big tub of rice that I prepped before coming away. So this is 8 meals worth. So 4 meals for today, 4 meals for tomorrow, and then I've also got 8 meals worth of chicken in here, and also I have 8 meals worth of veg there. So that's me prepping my meals ready for today.
Mommy,
Yes.
we forgot for a swimming costume, Peppa one.
I got it ready. Yeah, turn it around, let me have a look. Pepper. So I've just added my chicken, veg, peanut butter and salt to all these meals. These are my 4 meals for today, and then I've also got a protein bar, and also I've got overnight oats, which is in the fridge that I prepped before coming, which I'll have tonight.
Breakfast for myself. Poached eggs, ham and toast. Ola, what did you have for breakfast?
Cake.
You had cake
Cereal.
and
Toast.
and
I don't know.
banana.
Yeah,
Was it good?
I have toast.
Toast twice.
So this is meal 1 at the hotel, bit of ham, mushrooms, 2 poached eggs and 2 pieces of toast, and these are lovely poached eggs. Yummy. Daddy, I have to take you. Another one over there. Go on. Day 2.
Yes, we got your swimming costume. Was it good?
You're gonna upset these kids. They're going on.
Los. The gate is there.
You go.
Are you going backwards?
What are you eating? Another strawberry bar. What are we doing, Ola? We're on a dinosaur tour.
Real predatory dinosaurs. Ah!
We just do, Ola.
Go in the water and splash.
We went on a ride and we went all the way up, we went all the way down, and there was a big splash and we got soaking wet, didn't we? But who was in the queue with you?
Baby.
Now who's in the queue with you?
Daddy.
And what happened?
I did cry.
You cried. And why did you cry?
Because I wanted baby.
She wanted Mommy to go on the ride with her. So Mommy had to go on the ride and get soaking wet.
Baby, can
Meal 2, chicken, rice, veg. Well, all the dries off.
Sausage, sit down, sausage.
Hola. We're in the teapot. Bastard Daddy. Hey, that's Bastard Daddy.
Who give Peppa a high five on that quick?
Come on then, Alls.
jump on it?
Meal 3 going down as we leave the park. It's 4:30. Been here since 10 AM. A very good time, Ola. What are you eating?
Donuts.
You better be eating a full donut, not the icing. Just the icing.
And what have you got?
Mince balls, burgers, and pasta with
And
basil sauce and veg.
I have obviously the same chicken, rice, veg, peanut butter, and we're just gonna drive an hour and 15 minutes to our hotel, ready for Chessington's Wheels of Adventures tomorrow. So we just arrived at the Hilton, and this is my meal number 4.
And always having peanut butter on her.
Peanut butter on the side
She's
of it.
ordering peanut butter.
Beans, chips, fish fingers. And Richie's got rice or pasta.
Rice. Have a little look. Oh, head chef is gone. Is off again. Epic.
Lovely.
Peanut butter fish fingers.
Did you just dip that fish
Never
finger
hot.
in your peanut butter? Ugh. Last meal about to go in. Overnight oats, which is a bit too runny for my liking. So it's Tuesday, Richie's just come back from the gym. I trained at 6 AM before Ola woke up. Ola's just chilling. Ola say hi. Where are we going today? Ola,
Did you see Hugo?
you gonna see Hugo today? Never mind. She doesn't want to speak today, so I'm just prepping my meals ready for the day. So same as the day before, we got that big fridge. We got a big tub of rice, tub of veg, tub of chicken, and then I put them in each of my 4 containers, ready for the day. So I got my meals ready for today.
Rainbow.
No. I don't think Mommy's going to have his done today. Oh, look, you see Daddy waving at us. Are we going on a boat in the sky?
Soldier, take the wheel. You're off on an adventure through the rainforests of the world.
Put your leg down,
Here we go.
baby.
Put your leg down. Naughty Daddy.
First up is the toucan with its really large yellow beak. Did you press that button?
I'm driving. Oh.
Baby, are you crying? Stop doing the camera, please.
Oh, okay, boss. Sorry, driver.